Come along with me to day 2 of the Cognitive Computational Neuroscience conference in Amsterdam. Today is actually my day to present a poster, which means I have to peel it up off the floor where I realised it was stuck down because I'd actually velcroed the corners. But once I'd got it up, I also realised my hotel room looked so boring without its fun rug. But I suppose it's worth it so that I can share my science with world-leading academics, so what are you going to do? With that, I headed into the keynote session, which I didn't have to fight for a chair for quite as much because it was 8:30 in the morning, but I definitely should have had to fight for a chair because the keynote by Yasuo Koniyoshi on intelligence in robotics was amazing. Great example of how we use the latest AI to drive understanding of ourselves, but also, why is this robot me trying to get up this morning? With that, I took a quick break to go put my poster up. Then I headed over to our first round table and possibly the best session I've ever been to at a conference on the gamification of neuroscience and how we can use games to probe complex cognitive processes. I had some really great discussions with my group about how we could implement this in research going forwards. After that, it was time for a spot of lunch and my poster session, which I got through mostly using this massive apple, which took me 45 minutes to eat because I was so busy talking to everyone else about my work. But thanks so much to everyone that stopped by to come talk about my poster. After the poster session, it was time for the Generative Adversarial Collaborative session, which addresses controversies in the field. I went to one on how we establish benchmarks in cognition, which was super interesting. And then it was the end of the day, so time to take my poster back down, ready for the next person to come along tomorrow and use that slot. And that is it for day 2 of the Cognitive Computational Neuroscience conference, but join me tomorrow for more at day 3.